Thank you for purchasing the vertical samurai sword stand display item number WS-1. The package includes 4 pieces plus 5 regular screws for the assemble process. Screwdriver not included. First, insert a screw into the bottom middle hole of the base. Make sure you align the screw to the sword arm connector middle hole and screw and tighten it. Slide the arm into the connector. Align the bottom of the first hole to the arm hole and screw and tighten it. Then you will screw and tighten in the last screw. Take the collar and insert the 2 screws into the dented hole and screw and tighten both onto the top of the arm. And there you have it. This is the assemble process for the vertical samurai sword stand item number WS1.